Good morning. How are you? I have I have this beautiful imagery that I'm looking forward to integrating today. But first, I'm managing some compost. It wasn't necessary. Long story. But because someone thought that the arugula had gone off, they left it out by the garbage. And I saw it and I was like, this is still good. But it wasn't still good. It would have still been good had it not been left out. So, yeah, I have to let it go. Anyways. But I know that means the birds will be by today to pick at it. So I was one of those birds that was ready to pick at it, but that's okay. So, and the moon's looking out. Let me see if I can get an angle on that. Here, let's see. You see that? Full moon still out there. There we go. But let's get back to the imagery that I had. I have been talking with a few people that have been swinging their pendulums really hard. So a friend of mine, we'll say friend, someone I had met had a conversation with me and they said, "You're dancing with duality." And I was like, what's that about? Dancing with duality. And what I've learned over the years is that relates more to how contrasting everything happens to be in life. Or because there's this, there's that, and because I've experienced this good thing, that means something bad's about to happen, or vice versa. And maybe because we are a product of how we imagine things a lot of the time, aren't we? So pretty much we could be creating that experience in our lives. But something special about something I learned years ago while doing the Eliminate Your Limits mindset course, the original version, is, and it's still taught in the current version, long story. Anyways, is the point of neutrality. And I love when my pendulum's up and down and I'm just kind of swiveling back and forth around that center point. Here, swing with me. We got a nice little circle thing I can use as a visual, right? So just a little bit. Not this full swing that way and the full swing that way, right? It's just a little hover around that happy middle. See that little dome part up above my head there. And yeah, some things can go a little off and then they'll find their balance back again. And that is pretty much balance. It's a matter of hovering around a happy middle, right? And what if the thing that you wanted, it feels so far away from where you perceive that you are right now? But what if you just shifted yourself in your thoughts, in your feelings, in your imagination, more to already being at the point of where that thing that you want is actually now at your point of neutrality. It's a normal in your life. And now the things that are bad just hover a little to the right or hover a little to the left of the thing that you already wanted, right? So it can get better. It can be a little off. You can have your off days. Off days are beautiful. They help us to learn. They help us to grow, appreciate, have greater gratitude, realign ourselves, remind ourselves. Sometimes we have an off step. Sometimes we eat a whole chocolate cake. No, just throwing that in there. Sorry. No, it's been a while. But back to the point at hand. If we just shift our thoughts, our hopes. There's a balloon! Okay, sorry. Whew. I can focus. I can stay in this happy middle. This is so cool though. But I can't show you because it's like between trees and the pole. Okay, back to focusing. But if we align our imagination and our thoughts around hovering around the norms of the thing that we want, what if then that just kind of naturally shifts us that way? But wait, we turn it to a neutral and then we stay over there. We don't have to swing all the way back over here because, you know, we went too far forcing that way, so now it's going to swing back that way. We don't have to be so dramatic with the swing. So just a thought, and I'm gonna enjoy shifting and normalizing and shifting and normalizing and shifting and normalizing instead of this full swing thing that, you know, I was never a tire swing fan. Oh my goodness, I'm still not. Just the thought of it. Whoa. Anyways, so I hope you have a great day. I hope you can use this thought. And just help you to neutralize and normalize and really feel into the safety of what it is that you do want. That it's okay to stay there for a little while. That it's okay that it is a neutral space that, yeah, no problem, you can be in. All right. So I hope you have a great day. The birds are starting to come. Love that arugula. All right. Take care. Have a great day.